Okay, it's boiling hot in the garden, so we've taken some advantage of some of the things that we've set up because it's a warm day, and we're going to be playing a game called, what's it called, Liz?
Pit stop.
Pit stop. Okay, so again, it's from the cars, planes, trains section of the resource. Okay, and what type of equipment do we need for this game, Liz?
Just need spots, a pool, swimming pool, water filled up, and some water balloons.
Okay, so what we've got is a nice cold swimming pool. Okay, and what we've done, we've made a circle out of water balloons. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the task to the guys. Okay, so we've got Captain America and Eliza with us today. Okay, and what they're going to do is they're going to run to a spot, pick up a water balloon, and they're going to throw it into the pool. Okay, so we're looking at a bit of hand-eye coordination, a bit of target practice. Okay, you ready, guys? Okay, you got to try and get all those balloons in the pool as quickly as you can. Your feet stay on the spots. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Throw them in. Well done. Well done, Liz. Well done, Wells. Good throw, Wells. Can you use 2 different hands? Can you use your right hand or your left hand? Last one. Okay, so they got that in pretty quick. This is the fun part. This time, guys, you've got to jump in the pool, get a water balloon, and bring it back to the spot. Go! Put it back on the spot. Go and get another one. Well, no, put it on the spot, quick. Come on, I'm going to give you another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, Wells, nearly there. Well done. Okay. Oh, yep. Dive in, Wells. Yeah, good one. All right, nice fun game. Cool your kids down. Plenty of skills we're learning as well. Say bye, guys.